Getting your home renovation done right without losing your mind or your hard-earned cash is totally possible if you know what to watch out for. So here's the deal. First off, always get a detailed written contract before any work starts, no exceptions. That way, you know exactly what's included and can avoid surprise costs later. Next, pick contractors who actually have good reviews and local references. Don't just go for the cheapest option because that's usually where problems start. When you're chatting with your contractor, be crystal clear about your budget and timeline upfront. Don't be shy about asking for regular updates or progress. PhotoSit helps keep things on track and prevents misunderstandings. Also, don't rush payments. Hold back a little until the job is done to your satisfaction. If you spot something off or not up to snuff, speak up immediately instead of letting it slide. Make sure you're aware of permits and inspections required by your city. Skipping those can cost you way more down the road. Finally, keep a little wiggle room in your budget for unexpected issues because trust me, there will be some. One of the biggest headaches in home renovation is contractors overcharging or delivering subpar work. Fix that by always getting multiple quotes and checking their past projects thoroughly. Another common mistake is poor communication. Either you don't ask enough questions or they don't keep you in the loop. Set expectations early and insist on regular check-ins. Last but not least, people often skip permits to save time and money, which can lead to fines or trouble selling your home later. Always confirm permits are pulled and inspections done before paying final bills. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver if you're trying to find trustworthy local contractors without all the hassle and worry. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who actually need their skills, making sure everyone wins.